Hello everyone, welcome to my first Unreal Engine video in YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to show a widget blueprint into a movie render pipeline. Let's see. Here is my widget blueprint, and if I play here, we can see the widget blueprint here and the character here. But if we try to render this scene, we will find this. No widget blueprint and no character. I searched in internet some solution, but the unique thing that I found is a plugin that cost $60. And I got commentaries about people saying uh, how it's possible that Unreal Engine doesn't allow this function. And this is possible without that plugin. So I am making this video for show you where is the trick. So if we come here in the settings about our um, movie render queue and press here and touch here in UI renderer and press set and retry, we are in the same place. We can see the widget blueprint or the character. So we will close here. And I will show you how. Where is the trick? So the character is hidden in the movie render pipeline, but not in the editor, because when we play here and we start to render, the movie render queue replaces our game mode with another game mode. Here we can see in settings and game overrides. And here we can see who is the guilty. And here we need to select our game mode. In this case is this, and press accept and press render. Now the widget blueprint and the character are visible. So if we come here in our folder with all the frames, we can see everything. So I hope this video helps you, and see you in the next video. And sorry for my bad English, but it's my first video in English, so I hope this get better. See you. Bye bye.